Richard, thank you so much for all the learnings and teachings that all the world has benefited from what you have found and discovered in the field of NLP and hypnosis. So why is hypnosis so important for everyone to learn?
Well, hypnosis is just a catch-all name for unconscious learning. And most of what we've learned in our lifetime is unconscious. And being able to influence your neurology, being able to control your metabolism, your heart rate, your hopes, your dreams, and your ability to learn is directly connected to your ability to influence your unconscious processing. And to me, it's something I've taught for 55 years, and it will change everybody's life and make them better off. The more you relax, the more you control your neurology, the smarter you get. And that's got to be a good thing. And you, Aleksander, are who they should learn it from, because in Slovenia, you're the man. And I highly recommend them, and go to them and learn some hypnosis and make your life better.
Richard, thank you so much.
You bet.
Thank you.